Yo, what's up everybody and welcome back. Thanksgiving around the corner and you know this is a staple on the table. I don't even actually consider this a side dish. Baked mac and cheese is a main dish. Yo, let's get into these ingredients real quick. Of course we got our elbow macaroni right there. I'm going to be using a mixture of heavy cream and half and half. Going to be using some butter. I have sour cream. A little bit of seasonings too, not too much. We're going to be using some paprika, salt, garlic powder, onion powder, and black pepper. I have some sweetened condensed milk and the stars of the show. I have some cheese here. We'll get into those in a few seconds. So before we go ahead and shred up this cheese, go ahead and get your water on. Get that nice and hot, get it boiling, ready to go. And here we go with our cheese. Definitely makes a huge difference. I definitely recommend everybody to shred your own cheese, please. So I have a little bit of Monterey Jack. This is some smoked Gouda right here. Sharp cheddar, and there was mozzarella also. Go ahead and shred those up. Gonna be using about a cup to a cup and a half of each one. I definitely like a little bit more of cheddar and mozzarella. Definitely save some of those too for the end because you're gonna have to top the mac and cheese also. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Hey, look, so after we got that cheese all shredded up, let's go ahead and salt our water. It is up to a boil. Some people like to use chicken stock or whatever. I used it before. I don't really see a big, huge difference. I feel like it's a waste of stock, a waste of money. I'd rather just go ahead and heavily salt that pasta water, and let's go ahead and get them elbows in there and give it a stir. Now we're gonna go ahead and get started on our cheese sauce. Real simple, guys, nothing crazy here. Go ahead and melt 2 tablespoons of butter down. We're gonna be creating our roux. Roux is just equal parts butter and flour. It's gonna be a thickening agent for the sauce, so go ahead and get that flour in. After that butter's melted, just like this. Cook it down, make sure there's no raw flour left in it. Give it a nice stir here. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite dish is for Thanksgiving. Mac and cheese definitely is mine. So go ahead, I got 1 cup of that heavy cream, and I'm throwing in about the same amount of that half and half, equal parts here. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and mix this up with that roux. Gonna be a lot of mixing here. Make sure you skip arm day if you're going to the gym. You know we gotta stay in shape for these times, cause man, let me tell you, look, ain't nothing but cream, butter, cheese. This ain't the best thing for you, but we're gonna go ahead and enjoy it anyway. Go ahead, throw in about a tablespoon of that sour cream. Mix that up real nice too. Low heat here we're working on. Then go ahead and throw that sweetened condensed milk too. Gonna add a little bit of sweet note. You know that cheese can be a little acidic, a little salty too, so balance it out with a little bit of sweetness here. And blend of that seasonings I told you about earlier. Not too much, and please don't go too heavy on the salt. Like I said, that cheese definitely brings a nice saltiness to the baked mac and cheese. So again, like I said, hey, listen, low heat. Once everything is combined in there, let's go ahead and start to slowly add our cheese in. I went ahead and did that Monterey Jack. Now I'm using some of that Gouda. Took me a while, a lot of experimenting on different types of cheese and everything. For me, this combination right here, these 4, definitely my favorite combination. So go ahead and try whatever cheese you like, but just letting you know, like I said, that cheddar, mozzarella, Gouda, then that Monterey Jack. Go ahead and add as much cheese as you like here. Really depends on how thick you like your sauce and how cheesy you want it. Listen, we going all the way, we not skipping out. Promise y'all, there's been multiple times I made this, and somebody always says, hey, who made the mac? Go ahead and try this out, if you want to impress everybody. Look at that cheese pull, that's what we're looking for with that sauce. So nice and thick right there, nice little close up. Go ahead and check that out. Now what I like to do here is I like to just add the noodles to our baking, the casserole dish. And we're just gonna add a little bit more cheese in there too. Spread it around, get it all nice and even. I had a little bit of extra cheese. Don't forget though, we still gotta top it once the mixture is in there too. But I guess I had extra, so I just threw a little bit in there, make it a little bit more cheesier. Some Gouda, Monterey Jack, same thing, some cheddar right there. Just mix it up so you get a little extra cheesiness every now and then. There goes that sauce, man. If you guys like what you see so far, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Might as well hit that bell too while you're at it. I know it's looking scary. It looks like it's about to overflow. I ain't gonna lie, I was scared too. But look, just go ahead and I'm gonna just lightly fold it. The reason why I don't, I like to add the cheese sauce right to the noodles like that is just so we don't miss out on anything. You get all of it in there, all the flavor in there. So once you fold that, it's all mixed up and everything. I just want to lay it nice and flat and even, because now we're going to go ahead and top it with that cheese. I'm going on a nice row of mozzarella here first. Then I had a little bit of Monterey Jack, so why the hell not? Just go ahead and throw it on there. And finally, we're going to top it with that cheddar. Once this melts down, it's going to be beautiful, I'm telling you. Man, that is looking good. Go ahead and throw this into the oven. I bake it at 375 for about 30 to 45 minutes. Really depending on how your oven works and how brown you want it and everything. Oh my God, look at that bubbling. That is beautiful right there. Go ahead and take a moment to admire this. I know you want to dig in real quick, but trust me, let it cool. Let all the cheese and the sauce and everything kind of come together. Still going to be hot, you know what I mean? Give it another 15 to 20 minutes to cool down. That is looking beautiful. You see it's not bubbling anymore, so hey, listen, I'm going to go ahead and dig in. Hey, you know what I've realized? Some of y'all like to dig into the middle too. Let me know down in the comments if you're a middle person or a side person. I definitely like the little crispy edges on the sides. So as you can see, I'm going to go ahead and get in there right now. Pull that. Man, we looking cheesy. I love the pull. I had to pull it up pretty high just to, get that stretch off of there. Hey, listen, but I gotta try it. I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. First, I'm gonna pour me up some of this bourbon right here to wash it down. Once again, y'all, if y'all like what y'all seeing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell. Share to all your friends and family. This is a staple on that Thanksgiving table. I'm gonna go ahead and pray over this real quick because it's about to bless my soul. And hey, go ahead, wash it down with that bourbon. Cheers, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving.